lighting ceremony.
Toss in the dough. Just making it stretch out about 20 inches. Make sure you stretch sort of the crust line, you can stretch all around. It doesn't have to be perfect. You can work on it at the end.
Which sauce is that?
This is the hot Willy sauce. No, not yet. That's a Reaper powder? Yeah. This is the one that kill you. Yeah, Reaper in it. And ghost pepper.
And then
That's a good mix. I normally just go 2 handfuls, give it a light coat cheese. It's a mix between mozzarella and red chili flakes.
there's more pepper in there.
This is our chorizo mixed with Reaper oil. Really hot chorizo too. I normally just do smaller chunks. I'm gonna do it 1 handful. Take all the weird ends out. Hot Willy once again. I just go 1 quick ring. So I actually helped kind of create this dish. It's the creator of it. So the creator of the Hot Willy.
It's got a lot of habaneros.
A lot of habaneros.
A lot of habaneros and extra hot sauce.
That's some more habaneros.
Yep. And then a little bit more of a top off with the Reaper.
Yeah.
Beat this chowder?
10 people.
But it all varies. That's an olive try. It's all different.
So for best result, we let it sit for a couple minutes.
There you go. Wow, look at that. Take my hand, we'll be able to find